I'm not an unsuccessful person, neither I'm successful. I'm just a human being going to live on this earth for a few decades. Success and failure are big words for me. Friends, here I am to share my perspective on shortcut to success. What is shortcut? Shortcut is by which you achieve something with less time and less effort. But when we get something easily and before time, we don't value it. I think things should take as much effort and time as it should. Otherwise, there are many ways of shortcut. किसी का गलत करके, किसी का नुकसान करके, अपनी बॉडी या ब्यूटी का यूज करके, you can get success. But is it the right way? Will it last longer? Will you able to sleep peacefully at night? No, that's not the ethical way. Now, I want to tell something on success. What is success? For somebody, getting a job in Reliance is success. But I'm sure for Mukesh Ambani's daughter, Isha Ambani, to be in board of directors of Reliance or to be CEO of Reliance is not success. For somebody, getting his first modeling assignment is success. But for Ranbir Kapoor, getting his first film is not success. Success is a relative term. We all had one classmate, one friend in our college who was less in caliber than us, was getting less mark than us, but his father is rich and influencer. Because of that, he would join as a director to his father's company or some other company where we would join as a junior person. Does that mean that person is successful and you are unsuccessful? The result we get has very little to do with our hard work. The entire universe play big role into it. Your parents network and net worth helps you. Whether you are at right place at right time decide your future. So according to me, we should not hope for success. સફળતાની આશા હશે તો અસફળતા માટે અણગમો થશે. गीता में लिखा है कर्म किए जा फल की चिंता मत कर. हमारा काम है काम करना बस. We should focus on our karma, self respect and self satisfaction. अगर किसी चीज के लिए हमने 100% दिया है तो हमें खुद के लिए रिस्पेक्ट और सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा. फिर अगर हम फेल भी हो जाए, कोई भी आके बोले कि तुमने हार्ड वर्क नहीं किया, हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. पर अगर हमने किसी चीज के लिए 100% नहीं दिया है और हम फेल हो जाते हैं, ऊपर से भगवान आके भी बोले कि तुमने अच्छा काम किया है, आप अंदर से सच्चाई जानते हो, आपको रिस्पेक्ट और सेल्फ सेटिस्फेक्शन फील नहीं होगा. At last, I again want to iterate the teaching of Gita. We should perform our prescribed duty. We should not be concerned about result. Thanks for listening me peacefully. Thank you.